Today you're going to learn how to vacuum. First, you want to walk to the appropriate custodial closet. Next, you want to unlock the door with the appropriate key that was given to you. Go in the closet, grab the vacuum, and come back out of the closet. Next, you want to unwind the cord from the back of the vacuum. Find the plug on the wall and plug it in. Now you're going to turn on the vacuum and proceed to the area to be vacuumed. When finished, you're going to turn off the vacuum and unplug it from the wall. Next, you're going to rewind the cord on the back of the vacuum. Finally, you're going to unlock the closet and put the vacuum up. And that is how you vacuum.